Hello everyone, good morning everyone. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to explain a very important SEO topic called zero click search. Nowadays, many users search on Google but never actually visit a website. Instead, they get their answer directly on Google search result page. So let's understand what zero click search is and why it's increasing and how businesses can adapt to it. First, let's understand the meaning. A zero-click search happens when Google answers the user's question directly on the search page, result page, also known as SERP. The user types a question, Google immediately displays the answer, and because the information is already available, the user doesn't click on any website. For example, if someone searches what is the capital of Japan, Google instantly shows Tokyo. The user gets the answer without visiting any website. Now let's see why this trend is growing. Earlier, Google mainly showed website links, but today Google wants to become an answer engine. There are four major reasons. First, voice search users expect quick spoken answers. Second, mobile users prefer fast information. Third, AI features like AI overviews provide instant summaries. Finally, Google's goal is to keep users on its platform by answering questions immediately. Google provides different types of SEO zero click results. The first is featured snippets, where Google highlights content from a web page. The second is knowledge panels, which show information about brands, companies, or famous people. Third is people also ask, where users can expand related questions. Lastly, there is a local pack, which displays maps and nearby businesses for location-based searches. These features help users find answers without opening any website. So what impact does this have on SEO? There are both challenges and opportunities. The challenges are lower website clicks, reduced organic traffic, and more competition for featured snippets. But there are also benefits. If your content appears in position 0, your brand gains more visibility, credibility, and trust. Even if users don't click your website, they still see your brand, which increases awareness. To succeed in the zero-click era, businesses need to change their SEO strategy. First, target question-based keywords like what, how, why, and who. Second, write short and clear answers because Google prefers concise content. Third, implement schema markup so Google can better understand your website. Finally, optimize your brand information so your knowledge panel remains accurate. Earlier, businesses mainly focused on website traffic, but today traffic alone isn't enough. We should also measure impression share, featured snippet ownerships, brand mentions, and assisted conversions. These metrics help us understand our visibility even when users don't click our website. Many brands are already benefiting from zero-click search. Healthline structure its article using question and answer format. All recipes use recipe schema to appear in rich search results. NerdWallet creates comparison table that frequently win featured snippets. These examples show that structured content can improve brands' visibility. Many businesses still make common mistakes. They only focus on getting clicks instead of improving visibility. They write long paragraphs that are difficult to scan. They ignore local SEO and mobile optimization. Avoiding these mistakes can greatly improve your chance of appearing in zero-click results. To conclude, zero-click search is becoming the future of SEO. More than 70% of searches now end without a website click. Businesses should focus on visibility, structured content, schema markup, and featured snippets instead of only chasing website traffic. Those who adapt early will have a strong advantage in the future. Thank you everyone. I hope you find this video useful. Have a great day.